Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. Just doing a little different unboxing video. What this is, it's a mini tree USB ultrasonic essential oil diffuser. And why it's USB, it uses a USB connection for the power. So let's take a look at the box. And this is just explaining actually what is aromatherapy. And this is very similar to a humidifier, and what happens is when you put typically 3 to 5 drops of the essential oil in it, the humidifier part is actually diffusing a little bit of the scent of what essential oils you're actually put into the oil diffuser. And that's just a little shot of the box, so let's see what's inside. Alright, so I just opened the top. And this is the actual unit. This is where your mist would come out. And that's your power button on the side. And that's inside of it. Your water lines. So what happens is you fill it up to the max water line there, and then you put your drops of oil right in there along with the water. So what else is included is you have your instruction manuals. And this is your power cable. So again, it has a USB plug on one end, so you can just plug that into, you can actually even plug it into like a laptop computer or any USB charging port similar to what you would use for a cell phone. So again, on the bottom of it, that's where you plug the power cable, that end, into the bottom of the diffuser. And it comes with 2 sets of essential oil. Eucalyptus helps revitalize, clarity, and invigorate. And the other one is orange, which it helps refresh and uplift. So just what we all need, especially when we work with old farm tractors and everything that I'm tinkering around with. So let's get this plugged in and see what it does. So I'm just adding, takes approximately 100 milliliters of water, or just under half a cup. So I'm going to try the eucalyptus. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll put in 4 drops. So how to use this? Just a little power button on the side. Press the button and you'll see it will light up and the essential oil will start coming out the top. Again, that's a mixture of oil and water. And if you hold the button down, you can actually select what color you want. And it looks like it's probably flashing on camera. It's a solid light right now. It's a purplish color. And it's slowly changing to different colors. It's pretty sharp, and you can see the oil and water diffusing out. Again, it's similar to like a humidifier, and it's probably going up about 6 to 8 inches, and I'm probably about 2 or 3 feet away, and I can certainly smell it. It smells fantastic, and these are nice in a bedroom to have running before you go to bed, in the bathroom or whatnot. They use very, very little energy, so you don't mind these running, and it will actually run for a couple hours on the amount of oil and water that I put in the unit. Again, it's 100 milliliters, or just under half a cup of water, or to the max full line, and again 3 to 5 drops. I think I put in roughly 4. The more you put in, the more it's going to smell. And again, this will go quite a long ways when you're only using a couple drops of oil. And you can pick these up at a lot of different places, especially Winners or whatnot. Again guys, this is just a short unboxing video. Again, it's a oil diffuser. Again, it's powered by a USB port, and it smells fantastic. So I'm going to put this in my room, and we'll give it a try later on. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day.